Task labels are custom tags and statuses that you can apply to tasks in Pixie. You can use these for getting visibility into your workflow. For example, finding out how many tasks you're currently waiting on the clients to still send you information. They can also be used creatively for a number of different things, such as indicating the importance levels of a task or a client, or to indicate whether or not the task is a recurring one or an ad hoc one. You can also use them for anything else you can think of that makes tracking work easier in Pixie. With labels, you can choose what they say, as well as the color that's applied to them, which really means you can get as creative as you like. Now in your workspace, you'll have a number of pre-made task labels already ready to go. We also have a handout available below this video with some suggested task labels on, just to give you some more ideas and inspiration. So let's jump into Pixie, and I'll start to show you how you can add your own task labels, as well as how you can start to apply these labels to different tasks. So now we know what task labels are and the role that they play in Pixie, let's take a look at how to add these task labels and how we can update them and apply them to tasks. The first thing that we'll do is go to Settings here at the top and click on Task Labels. You'll notice that you have a number of labels already created in your account. To add a new label, simply click on Add Label here at the bottom, give the label a name, and then you also have the option of changing the label color. Once done, click Save All Changes, and that label is now ready to use. To apply a label to a task, let's go to our Work tab. And let's open the task by clicking on the task name linked here on the left-hand side. Once you're in here, you'll notice there's a drop-down box at the top that says Labels. By clicking in here, we can select a label that we want to apply. Once done, if we come back out of the task, we can now see that the label is here on the right-hand side. What you also have now is the ability to filter using these labels. So by clicking on the filter here in the top, we can then select the label and filter the tasks to only show that that label applies to. Now that you understand how labels work, go ahead and start to set some labels up in your workspace and apply them to any existing tasks that you might have in there.